Insects and small animals. Beetle.
Beetle. Beetle.
Do you think the beetle looks like he is wearing armor? Spider.
Spider. Spider.
Do you think spiders' webs are beautiful?
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper. Grasshopper.
Grasshoppers move around by jumping.
Firefly.
Firefly. Firefly.
Fireflies are also called lightning bugs, and their bodies glow in the dark.
Beetle.
Beetle.
Spider.
Spider.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Firefly.
Firefly. Want.
Eight. Call. Want. Eight.
Call.
Good.
Have.
Near.
Actions.
Take.
Take. Take. The mother is taking flowers from her son. Drop.
Drop. Drop.
Sand is dropping from hands. Pick.
Pick. Pick.
To pick something up, you need to use your fingers.
Catch.
Catch. Catch.
The boy is catching a falling leaf.
Take.
Take. Drop.
Drop.
Pick.
Pick. Catch.
Catch.
S. 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 Gas. Gas. S. Toss. Toss. S. Chess. Chess.
Words end with S.
Bus.
Gas. Grass. Toss. chess. Press.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Drop. Choose the picture that goes with the word. You did it!
Grasshopper.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Pick. Choose the word that goes with the picture.
You did it!
Catch.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Great job! Spider.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
That is right.
Beetle.
Can you point to?
Have. Great job!
Can you point to?
Good.
That is right.
Hooray! You finished a lesson! Congratulations! You've earned a sticker!
Play lessons to earn more stickers.